live and on your side. You're watching WBRC Fox 6 News at noon.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kelsey Davis. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. We're actually going to go straight to Jill Gilardi with a check on your Monday weather on this first day of fall. Hey, Jill.
It is the first day of fall. The official name, the autumnal equinox. It actually happened at 2:50 this morning. We have changes with our sun throughout the year. And again, we're starting to get into the shorter days, the lower sun angle, and some places get cooler temperatures. That hasn't happened in the south so far. So that's what we're going to be looking ahead to, hopefully getting some cooler air our way. In the meantime, we're enjoying the subtle changes we get with our dew point temperatures. And you know what? It was nice out there this morning. Had a lot of folks saying how wonderful it felt outside early this morning on my fan page, and we're going to be seeing something similar as we get to Wednesday. So there's a little in between happening. Right now, we're still on the very warm side. Those temperatures are in the 80s. You notice to the north, it is a little bit lower in the temperature department. We're talking about 70s off to our north. And as we take a look at First Alert Doppler, again, Wes was talking about that small, and I mean small rain chance today. We're barely seeing showers along this weak front up through Nashville. We are seeing some scattered clouds, and these showers are going to be heading in our direction as we get through the day. Unfortunately, they are moving into an even drier air mass. We have like no soil moisture. So I really think that a lot of this will be breaking up, unfortunately, as we progress through the day. And as we take a look at First Alert Doppler locally, it's 88 in Pell City and 87 Birmingham, 90 in Jasper, 84 in Haleyville. The winds are coming in from the west, fairly light right now. And again, it is pretty dry at low levels, and that's why that high fire danger is a big concern. I just checked the forestry, and they say on their website that there are 26 fires right now happening in the state of Alabama. So really have to take it seriously. No outdoor burning. Careful if you smoke cigarettes that you put that cigarette out before doing anything with it. I know some people, they drive and it goes out the window. I understand. But please put it out. Something that small can spark a fire. Let's talk about your hour-by-hour forecast, help you plan out your day. And we're going to see those temperatures in the low 90s. Our normal high is 84. It's like, come on already, right? Just not going to see that anytime soon. And those little showers that we're going to be tracking will be slowly breaking up. There is a small chance. We've kept that 20% chance. If you're watching Mickey, we were talking about early this morning, and still at this time of day, that small chance across our northwestern counties for maybe a passing shower. Consider yourself lucky if you get under one of those showers as we head into the evening hours. Otherwise, that's it for our rain chance for a while, unless something drastically changes with our weather pattern. So as we head into Tuesday morning, tomorrow morning, we'll be in the low 70s to start. We'll have mostly cloudy skies. And then as we go through the day tomorrow, we're going to have drier air building in. It's our next big thing. And this time of year, when it comes to our hair, you know what? We have a great hair forecast in store tomorrow and Wednesday, because those dew points are going to be in the 50s again. Even today is not bad. All right, and then as we go through Thursday and Friday, it will come up a little bit, the dew points, so some frizz may be a factor. Otherwise, we're not having extreme humidity, at least with this extremely high temperature pattern we've been dealing with. Now, tomorrow night, if you're going to the Hall & Oates concert at Oak Mountain Amphitheater, it is going to be fantastic weather for that. That's for sure. We have 70s in the forecast by 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, low humidity, clear sky. Can't ask for better weather, right? No rain in the forecast, so that's only a plus for outdoor activities. And then as we look ahead towards Wednesday morning, that was the morning I was telling you it's going to be so nice outside. We're talking about mid to upper 50s, some low 60s in store for us. So just like this morning, Wednesday morning is going to be the pick of the next 7 with that very comfortable air, so maybe coffee on the porch for Wednesday morning. All right, the tropics remain active. We have still Tropical Storm Jerry, and there's Bermuda, that little speck you see on the screen. It's going to be curving close to Bermuda, remaining a tropical storm, and then heading on out to sea. So no worries with Jerry. We have Karen, a tropical storm. Here's Puerto Rico. Here's Karen right now, forecast to move across Puerto Rico tomorrow morning as a tropical storm, so some heavy rain, some gusty winds. And then look at this. It's interesting, almost like wants to stall and start turning back to the west, something we have not seen at all so far this hurricane season. So the big question mark is, will Karen impact the United States, and how strong will Karen be? So that's something we're going to keep you updated on here. Also on our First Alert weather app, all platforms, we'll be watching Karen. Maybe that could be our next chance for rain. You never know. Let's hope for some change there. And as we take a look at also the newly formed storm, this is Lorenzo. And look how far away it is. I mean, that's Africa you're looking at. And it has a west motion at 18 miles per hour, winds of 40 miles per hour, gusts up to 50. And forecast by Wednesday to become a hurricane and then a Category 2 hurricane. But it may, make that turn again. We'll have to see what kind of weather pattern picks it up and steers it in which way direction. A lot to be determined. Let's talk about your First Alert 7-day forecast. Temperatures this afternoon in the low 90s, tomorrow in the low 90s. There's the pick for the mornings of the next 7. We're talking about low 60s to start off, 94 for the afternoon high Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 95, mid-90s again as we look ahead to the weekend. And staying dry as of right now, and those temperatures are going to be on the very hot side. Again, our normal high is 84 degrees, so it will be warming up. So we'll continue to keep a watch on those models, let you know if we see any rain in sight. I'll be talking about that a little bit later. Kelsey?
All right, thanks so much, Jill. We will have more from our new newscast coming up right after the break.